So I thought I might make a DIY RV themed ornament for our first Christmas in our RV. We're gonna show you how to turn this into this. So I'm gonna start by drawing the general shape of an RV on my felt. Now I'm just gonna cut it out. So I'm actually just gonna paste these all onto another piece of felt to give it a stronger backing. Now we got some wheels. I have this cute little piece of ribbon that I'm gonna fit right in between. Maybe a cute little door handle. And once the basic shape is down, you can dress it up however you like. Now we're gonna cut off the backing in the shape of the RV.